What's up, guys? This is from Liberty Graphic Designs. Stay tuned because in a little bit we're going to be opening this box. So don't go anywhere, okay? Okay, so some of you already know that I bought. I have a problem saying purchase. There you go, purchased a large format printer. Well, I didn't have a laminator and I didn't want to sell any jobs. I already got jobs lined up, but I didn't want to sell them without laminating or lamination. And voila! I just got my laminator and we're gonna be doing an unboxing of our new laminator from Sign Warehouse. So let's get right to it. This one actually has metal straps, so I need some metal shears. Make sure you use gloves if you're gonna be doing an unboxing like this, right? So as you can see, this one actually has metal straps. And if you guys can hear that buzzing sound in the background, that's my AC unit. Right now, I'm in Texas, right? And it's pretty late right now, but it's still hot. Well, I don't even know what time it is. Today's the 2nd. And the time, there you go, can you see it? 10:09, August the 2nd, 2019. So we don't need this guy anymore. Let's get rid of it. My car keys, I don't need those either. So we're just gonna use a little claw, and this is a claw hammer and a little pry. It shouldn't be that bad. There goes one nail. You know, I just stepped on a screw like about a few days ago and I'm throwing the nails on the floor. Watch it. End up on my foot again. I know some of you are going to be saying, why don't you just break the box open? I want it to be a little more dramatic. Okay, so we got all the nails out except for 2 of them that were a little stubborn. One there, one over here. But the box will come off. Let's take the lid off. Maybe not. Let's just got this nails right here. There you go. Okay, so now we can take the face. I know there's going to be some parts where you can't see anything. I'm sorry. I'm very limited on space. Let's see what we got in this little box. Power cord. And oh, the foot pedal. See that? That way you can operate it with the foot pedal. And this is going to be part of the base. More stuff. And this is going to be all your little hardware, like nuts, washers. Cool, the casters. That way we can roll it from one place to the other. I had to go get another shirt because even though it's late, it's really hot. I mean, I have an AC in here, but since I had the door open, it gets hot. So I'm just taking out stuff to make it lighter. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to put it together today, because this thing is like, it's really heavy, and I don't know if I can do it by myself. So I'm just taking all these rollers to make sure that, you know, just to lighten up the weight, because like I said, they're pretty heavy. Not the rollers, the unit itself. So over here in the back, it's got 2 more rollers, and they're together with the strap. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm trying to cut it just so I can get these rollers out of the way in case if I have to pick it up, which I doubt that I'm going to be able to pick it up on myself. Oh yeah, there's no way I'm going to pick it up on myself. You can see, can't even move it. So yeah, the unit is pretty heavy. I'm not going to be able to put it up or put it together by myself. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get the base ready to go, and tomorrow I'll get a couple of friends to help me pick it up and set it on top of the base. So that's what I'm gonna do today. Let me show you what it looks like. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's all brand new. There you go. I mean, pretty nice. So I'm gonna set it up tomorrow. Okay, so I guess since I can't set it up by myself today, I guess it's gonna be the end of this video just for the unboxing, and I'll do another video tomorrow when I put it together. Well, I don't know, maybe I can figure out how to put it together, and but you probably won't see how I put it together. So yeah, so be on the lookout for the video. I'm putting it together and running it, you know, for the first time. So thank you for watching, guys. This was an unboxing of our new laminator. It's a cold laminator from Sign Warehouse, and the name brand I think it's called Enduro Lam 3, I think. I don't know, I can't even remember the name. But anyways, guys, you will see it in action on the next video. Thank you for watching, guys, and I will catch you on the very next video, okay? Thank you, guys, and I'll see you later. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, go ahead and subscribe and ding the bell so you're notified when we upload new videos, and also when we do giveaways. So thank you, guys, and I will catch you on the next one. Later. Okay, so I said it was gonna be that I was gonna wait till tomorrow to get some friends to help me pick up the unit. It's very heavy. I don't know how heavy it is. I don't know, 400 or 500 pounds, probably more. I cannot pick it up, but with the help of a strap, a hoist, and 4 2x4s, I was able to, you know, pick it up, and I put it together. So one funny thing is that when I was putting it together, I was going over and I was like, man, I can't find a manual to put it together. They give you plenty of tools. They give you they give you tools that I don't even use, and they give you plenty of bolts, nuts, washers, lock washers. They give you everything. So that's why I didn't make the video, because I was like, dude, man, I had to, you know, guess which bolt or screw where. So I'm looking for the manual, and I look at this right here, and it says 0 manual. It's like, I don't know if you guys can see it, but they don't put one in there, you know, user's manual. But they do give you plenty of they do give you plenty of bolts. I mean, I had a lot of bolts. Like, there's a lot still left. So, which is good. They give you all the tools, Allen wrenches, open box wrench. They give you everything. So that's really good. So I guess now I gotta put all the rollers back. Let's put these babies back in. So let me spin this around so you guys can see it. I don't know if I have enough room in here. Of course you guys know that it's very limited, or I'm very limited of the space I got in here. Hey, like my shirt says, right? Make it happen. There you go. There you go. The rollers are in, and I believe this is gonna be the last piece. All I gotta do now is turn it on, make sure it works. I hope it works. You know, I never used a laminator before, so that's gonna be it's gonna be fun. Okay, so let's plug it in. Make sure it works. We'll get our little foot pedal. Here we go. So it's on. It turns on. So I know you guys can't see it, but it's already working. So if I stop it and put on the motor, which it doesn't even say motor, it says moto. Looks like I don't know what happened, but it's missing part of the O and the R completely. So when it's on red, that's when the foot pedal works. Okay guys, so I guess now this is it for the video. You saw me doing the unboxing. Unfortunately, you didn't see me doing and putting it together. We started at, I think it was like 10 something. It's 2 hours later. Where is it at? Right there. So so right there. 2 hours later, we have it, you know, all together, ready to go. So I guess tomorrow I'm gonna be testing it to see how good it works, and I'll let you guys know. So thank you guys for watching. I know it's late. I'm gonna go take a shower because I'm sweating, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe and ding the bell so you're notified when we upload new videos. Thank you guys, and I will see you later.